again on the Happy Farming channel. Today I want to show the progress of the grapevines at the police officer's house, where I made a video a few weeks ago. I mentioned that I would show you the beauty of the grape Veraison phase here. As you can see, the grapes are so abundant and colorful, creating a beautiful atmosphere to enjoy a break while sipping coffee at home. The ones with a slightly pinkish hue are the Basanti variety, and the ones that are starting to undergo Veraison with abundant fruit are the Akademik variety, which when ripe will turn a beautiful black. The advantage of the Akademik variety is that it is very easy to bear fruit and has a high resistance to pests like fungi. Additionally, its taste is sweet and crunchy, with an elongated shape and large bunches, making it perfect for those who want to learn how to grow grapes as a hobby. Here there are also several varieties that are still in the flowering phase, and others in tertiary care, so the grape harvest here is continuous. When one tree is harvested, another is waiting to be harvested. Quite interesting, right? Besides selling the grapes, the police officer, the owner of the vineyard, also provides seedlings for sale to visitors who want to try growing grapes at home. He sells the seedlings for $5 each. This hobby has become a side income for the police officer, and during his time off work, he enjoys productive gardening while sipping coffee under the beautiful grapevines. That's all for today's video. I hope it inspires us all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support this channel by clicking subscribe.